Hi everyone, my name is Tori Ross, and for my vowel consonant project, I was assigned the vowel I or I, which is also commonly referred to as the short I vowel sounds. And the color that was associated with my vowel is silver, silver. So below we have some images. We have silver coins, silver forks and knives, silver cutlery, and silver bars. So again, my color was silver. Some distinctive features when pronouncing the short I sound is the tongue is towards the front of the mouth, and it's also at a high height. And the short I is also a lax tensed vowel, which makes it a short I, which is why we don't hear the I sound, but we hear the sound. So some words that have the short I sound are fig, and figs are a certain type of fruit that you eat. I know fig Newtons are pretty popular in using this fruit. Fig Newtons are a cookie. Chicken, chicken. Chicken's pretty self-explanatory. It's the animal we love eating. It's a good poultry meat. And another word that I had is pig, in pig. And again, pig is an animal that we can also eat or is on a farm. And so certain tongue twisters, it was very hard finding a tongue twister for the short I, but I was able to find one even though it doesn't start with the short I. But this one is 6 thick thistle sticks, 6 thick thistle sticks, 6 think thistle sticks. And even though you have a lot of th and s sounds, it does all have the short I sound in 6 thick thistle, and then the short for sticks as well. So it's really great in distinguishing and really emphasizing that short I sound. So that was my vowel, my short I, and I hope you enjoyed my project, and I can't wait to see all of yours. Thanks. Bye.